According to the passage, the Wright brothers' achievement ultimately... To answer this question, we need to look at the final paragraph, where the author explains the long-term impact of the Wright brothers' invention. The passage tells us that their invention paved the way for the development of modern aviation and reshaped the 20th century. It outlines that this affected transportation, warfare, communication, and global travel. With this in mind, let's take a look at our choices. A. It reshaped the 20th century by enabling modern aviation. This matches directly with the passage. We're told in the final paragraph that their invention paved the way for the development of modern aviation, and that it reshaped the 20th century. Because this aligns word for word with what the passage says, this is likely our answer, but we'll check the remaining choices just to be sure. B. It resulted in few practical applications outside of military use. This is the opposite of what the passage tells us. While the passage does tell us that aviation affected warfare, it also clearly states that it transformed transportation, communication, and global travel, meaning there are many practical uses outside of military use. This being the case, we can mark this choice off. C. Led to increased international communication and travel. This is partly correct, in the sense that the passage mentions both communication and global travel. However, the issue is that our question asks what their achievement ultimately did, and the passage frames the ultimate impact in broader terms, reshaping the 20th century and enabling modern aviation as a whole. Because this choice is too narrow compared to the full impact described, and we already see choice A as a stronger answer, we can mark this choice off. And D. Discouraged further experimentation in early flight. This contradicts what we know from the passage and from history. The passage makes it clear that their flights opened the door for modern aviation, which would have required significant continued experimentation and development. As there's nothing in the text to support the idea that their success discouraged others, we can mark this choice off and go ahead and mark our original answer, choice A, as our final answer.